If you can see the situation, political situation, that is going on within the country, you will find out that the two heavyweights parties we have in Nigeria are PDP and APC, and you can see other parties like YPP, Nigerian Conscience Party, then Labour Party. They are not, giving these two big heavyweights enough fight, which has made them, relegated them to Dwarfish Party, because they are not making impact anymore. It's like as if Labour Party was not on this race in Edo State. But you can see a situation whereby PDP was leading, yesterday. It was PDP everywhere until what suspiciously happened was at night they do the needful. Federal government of Nigeria that calls result of every election, both gubernatorial and the presidential, at 1 a.m., sometimes 12 a.m., 2 a.m. They don't want to do it during the day so that people will not be over, frenzied or excited, bloodily or, lawlessly. So by this time around, they did it yesterday very late at night. We woke up this morning, Sunday morning, all of a sudden, we discover on front pages of various, dailies, magazines or newspapers, that APC is leading in 13 local governments. And how many governments do we have? In Edo State, we are having only 18 local governments. So when APC is claiming leading in 13 local governments, how many remains? 5. And the rest of the 5 that are remaining, I don't think a PDP has been able to, come out with winning even one. I don't want to understand. Meaning that APC has done the needful. Master riggers. The master rigger or rig party is APC, and they have done it again in Edo State. At least crippling the whole structures built by Godwin Obaseki, after the Labour Party representative. They have crippled everything. Nothing, no structure again for Godwin, the current governor. If actually information we are getting from Edo State is something to come by.
It was in Inec office, yes.
He was in Inec office even this morning. He was shouting. He went there yesterday shouting because the man could not sleep. He know that at night the enemy are going to, just like the biblical story, sow what? Tares. They are going to sow weed among the better crops, edible crops. And they have done it actually very late night. They woke up and went to the farmland and sow weed, tares among the crops that are edible on the farm. They have done the magic again. The master rigger, Wike was there. Somebody like the Dwarfish devil, Adam Ochemolo, he was there. And even, what do you call them? Hope who's also them back from Imo State, he was there. They have come to rubbish Edo State. And I'm signing my warning. We don't want Edo State to be like Imo State. What Hope Uzodimma did in Imo State. After truncating, Emeka Ihedioha has chances of being the governor of that state. Hope Uzodimma came forth, someone that came forth, mount on the front, the first person. And today, Fulani made it a successful journey for him. He became Imo State governor illegally. And illegitimacy is going on in Imo State. Illegitimate administration of APC under administration of Hope Uzodimma. That's why, which is why we've seen the Igbo land we've not known with protest, violence, killings, and committing all manner of bloody crimes in the past. Today, Imo State is sick with militarization of the people, youths of that region. And we don't want to see it play out in Edo State. The Edolites, the Binu people we know, they are tradition-inclined people with Oba Eredua or Polopolo being the paramount chief or Eze or Igbe of that kingdom, Bini. And he doesn't want anything bloody to disgrace his palace. So I believe that no matter what may, I think APC is not going to excel at all, no matter what may, unless they want Bini, they want Edo, they want all the constituencies in that state to be like Amoma community, from where Hope Uzodimma comes from, his own local government, Olo, unless they want to turn the whole Edo State like Olo in Imo State. Because I'm aware that PDP has been the major party, the winner all the time of any election conducted in that state. PDP used to come out in flying colors. But this time, we are seeing APC truncating that effort, trying to rewrite the narrative, the electoral narrative of that state. And Concord me, if you ask me, I will tell you that it's an eyesore if actually they truncate the effort of Obaseki-led PDP administration of Edo State. Thank you so much.
Okay, wait, but do you think the APC government, the Edo Indigen will accept the results?
No. Senepa. No, Jonepa. I'm not joking. Listen and listen good. It can work. It is not. It cannot. Are you listening to me? It cannot. They cannot. It can't work there because I know Bini people. I know Ishan. I know all the tribes in that state. They are very resilient. They are very, very resilient. They work hard to make sure that they enthrone justice in Edo State. Edo State I know too well, and not people that you could at least easily, manipulate. Manipulative people, manipulative federal government might could not excel in Lagos, let alone Edo. See, let me tell you, federal government rig in 2023 presidential election in Lagos. They could not rig out Labour because Labour, mightily won election in Lagos State. When they won in large quantum, they could not succeed in rigging out Labour. I'm telling you the fact. So in Edo State, it can't succeed. And if they do, I'm telling you that those people, the Asians, the Bini people, Edo people, I'm telling you, they can never, ever agree. Listen, what is happening in Imo State, I think, is trying to start evolving gradually in Edo State. That's the beginning of trouble for APC. Thank you.
Tinubu feel that she's wise. She feel that he can dribble Igbo people's sense. All Igbos are not Uzodinma, afraid. All Igbos are not politicians. The Igbo Biafrans are Igbo Biafrans, not Igbo Nigeria. You should not think that Igbos are hungry. She should not think that Igbos are walking naked. Igbos are the makers of clothes. We import, we sell, people buy to wear. You cannot import cloth for us. I could remember in some years ago, when China haven't grown like this, there was a time China called America and said to America, you can feed the whole nation, you can feed the whole world, but you cannot feed the China. I'm giving you as a summarizing word. The people can deceive not with a Muslim ticket and deceive Yoruba with a tribal word, but she cannot deceive Biafrans. We are wiser than her. As our Prime Minister said, Biafra are 1 million miles ahead of Tinubu. The person they want to use in Biafra land, nobody regard him as anything. Uzodinma of Imo State, we look him as a vulture that eats dead body. And we are not dead. He cannot eat our body. You only rolling around. At a point time he will come down. Tinubu, now you know that unity is good. Now you know that the Igbos can make Niger to progress. Are you not the one who call for the head of Igbos? Tinubu, 2019, have you forgotten yourself? You think you're a wise woman? We have people that are wiser than you, women that can characterize you. Now, grandmother can deal with you. Now, you want to use Uzodinma, a slave of Fulani. Now, you want him to become a slave of Yoruba again. Hey, it's a very shameful thing to Uzodinma. It's a very disgraceful thing to Uzodinma. That every tribe that rises up, we use him as a slave against his own people. And Uzodinma will agree. We need to show you that he said coconut head. foul brain, foul thinking is far better than Uzodinma own. If the foul are more wiser than Uzodinma own.
Why do you think he's doing that? Is it because he's already planning to become the vice president with Ganduje for 2027?
Who? Uzodinma? Hey, I laugh. You don't know that he's a deceiver. They have deceived him. You don't know that it's a football that the Fulani will play. When they play finish, they give pass to Yoruba. I said they have passed now. They need to move one collect to start dribbling. It's a very shameful thing. Who's a game man? Fulani are men dribbling him. Now it's a woman. They need to become and dribble him. You know, Habib is a Tinubu, and he have be more better. Ordinary woman that will bend down before she will peace. Not that you stand up and peace, but that woman that will bend down and peace. He coming to dribble, who's a game man? Fuck him front and back. Have fun of him front and back. Coming to dribble him in the name of unity cloth. You see people not wearing cloth before now. Igbos are they not wearing cloth before now? Why can't we go and buy Ishiagun? If I go and buy Ishiagun and come and share the whole Igbos and make all of us to become traditional rulers so that they can be able to code us. Unity, because now his husband is ruling. Now he and his husband is ruling. Remi Tinubu, first lady, is not in constitution though. They are jumping up and down now like a frog.
But she just recently got 700 million naira travel, allowance fee.
So what?
For traveling, 700 million naira.
For traveling, and Nigerians are there in hunger. Have you seen it?
I say so because you said she doesn't have an office. That her office is not constitutional. That's what I'm trying to tell that if the office is not constitutional, she will not be given awarded 700 million naira for traveling expenses.
That is corruption in Nigeria. That is corruption. Not a constitution. Nothing like a first lady office. They are with the budget now for first lady. From whose money? From the money of Biafran mineral resources. It's a national cake. Emiloko here. Emiloko. It's a national cake. It's my own time to loot. It's my own time to share. It's my own time to I and my family. Tinubu daughter that came and to speak against Tinubu in the time of campaign. Do you hear her mouth again? As Tinubu enter, is she not enjoying? Do you hear her mouth again and say Tinubu government is bad? That is politics for you in Nigeria. Remi Tinubu carry your unity cloth and go. Because your husband said in the time of Ledeko that one Nigeria is a scam. You don't believe in one Nigeria. Now you believe in one Nigeria and you believe in unity. And you are the one that will call Igbos to leave Lagos. Is that unity? You call Igbos, you call your Yoruba tribe to kill Igbos and possess their properties. Is that unity? Now you are looking for Igbos to come and fight for you. Because you are falling in love ahead now with the North. The North did not trust you and your husband again. Did not trust the leadership of Tinubu in Nigeria again. Now you are trying to buy the Igbos, to team up with Igbos. When they come to fight, when they come to war, when they come to build, Igbos will become one Nigeria. But when they come to benefit, to share national cake, Igbos become Biafra. They become Amuibo. Remi Tinubu, unity is good. And your husband will give grant for education and cut Igbos off. He did not give to Igbos. Is that one Nigeria? Is that unity? I'm asking you, Remi Tinubu, is that unity? Time have come when that first office lady, you will leave it very soon. Very soon, that first office lady that is not constitutional, we are taking to jump up and down, swallowing our money. Come, you leave that place. Very soon you leave that place. Very soon, Aso Rock, you don't know it again. Don't worry. You think that 4 years is 400 years. 4 years is 400 years. Not I have been saying that your husband is one-time president. Now we want to please come again to ally with you. Eh? To ally with you. To unite with you. To fight the North. Go on with your tribal vigor. We are nothing like one unity. Nothing like unity. Carry your cloth to go. We are not walking naked before you become first lady. We are not walking naked. This one I wear here, are you the one that give it to me? The ones we both are selling on every shop, are you the one imported it for them? You are trying to use that all generation slave. Uzodinma is all generation slave. Any tribe will come, any gentleman will come, they use Uzodinma as a slave. And he had agreed to be a slave. This is why he's working against Nnamdi Kanu, working against Simon Ekpa, so that all of us will remain slave like him. To fear Akwa, Uzodinma, you are slave. Biafrans are not slaves. Igbos are not slaves. We are freeborn. In terms of people of Biafra, we are freeborn. Eh? We are the children of Sarah, not the children of Haggai, not that Keturah. We are children of Sarah. We are not children of Haggai. We are not the children of Keturah. We are freeborn children. So when people carry your cloth, your unity cloth, carry them go. And if they tell you how many billions of naira they take to build that washi called unity cloth, you never believe it. Who won the contract to print it or to supply it? Who won the contract? They have mapped 7 billion for you for traveling, and Nigerian 700 million for you to travel, 700 million, and Nigeria will die in hunger. Ordinary salary, minimum wage. Your husband government are not able to pay. We're not able to fix light. How many? A year plus now, he wasn't able to fix one light. Look at road. Look at road. Look at how it is.
Some will say it's still early. You know, we should still give Tinubu like maybe additional 1 more year to let's see what he can do.
What he can do? It's early.
For that light, you see Obasanjo too. Stay there for 8 years. I could not fix it.
Yes, it's early for Tinubu to fix light. It's early for Tinubu to make people have relief. But it's not early for him to go and buy private jet. It's not early for him to go and buy private jet. It's not early for him to rebuild the house of vice president. It's not early for him to renovate it. It's not early for him to map money to build new one for him. It's not early. It's too late for that. Eh? It's not too early for him to buy car for senators, increase their salary, increase their allowances. But it's too early to make common Nigerian to feel a relief of life. It's too early for that. Eh? No, they to answer me.
You know, they will feel they need to be more comfortable before, you know, finally doing what they're supposed to do.
In his campaign, he said, allow the poor to breathe. Allow the poor to breathe. When he enters as a head of state, as a president, he went and locked the air. And poor are not breathing now. Poor are sophisticating. The poor are sophisticating in Nigeria now. The Tinubu government did not allow them to breathe. He went and locked the valve of the air. Air is not breathing again in Nigeria. Hey! This is what Biafra must surely exist part of Nigeria. This is okay. Rabbi Tinubu, you go and build the unity cloth to give Biafrans. Why can't you print the Biafra must go and give to them? Had you been Rabbi Tinubu printed the Biafra must go and go and share it, and we know that he did what he said. Let him print the Biafra must go. Sebi, he said Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Why don't he say Biafra must go? Eh? Why don't Rabbi Tinubu say Biafra must go? Rather, Igbo must go. He went and print unity cloth to give Biafrans. Why can't they print Biafra must go to give Biafrans? Let her print Biafra must go to give Biafrans. Remi Tinubu, please, for sake of
She should keep her clothes.
keep her clothes. You are not walking naked. You don't need your clothes. Eh? Carry your ashoke. Carry ashoke to go. We have akwete before. We are wearing akwete. So carry ashoke they go. You don't need ashoke. What do you need as akwete? It's what you need in Biafra land, akwete. We don't need less. We don't need less in Biafra land. What we need is a Hollandese.
But you know that this one is quality and special design, specially designed.
I'm telling you honestly.
For all tribes. It's compulsory for all tribes.
Not compulsory. This is not a Yaloja. Biafra is not. This is Yaloja in Biafra land. There's no Yaloja in Biafra land. Therefore, that unity cloth is not compulsory for Biafrans. And we are not tribe, we are nation. We are not tribe, we are nation.
When in those states, you've seen Tinubu's daughter Folashade, wants to, she was planning on putting a new Yaloja in those states. I think 2 months ago.
You call it a ghost state.
I don't know Biafra.
This Biafra land, that as of now, is a state in Nigeria. Now, it's left for Edo people to say no. I'm telling you honestly. It's left for Edo people to say no. If Edo people did not accept it to not be, if you call me a dog and I refuse to answer dog, will it be my name? Do not be my name. But you call me Angel, whether I like it or not, I will answer Angel because it's a good name. You understand? So there's no Iyaloja in Biafra land. Therefore, that unity cloth is not for Biafrans. Iyaloja belongs to the tribe that have Iyaloja. I mean, unity cloth belongs to the tribe that have Iyaloja, not in Biafra land. I know that all of them are shameless people. Politicians, and they need to enter politics. They are shameless people. They don't have shame. If not so, Remi Tinubu cannot be going to East to campaign for unity. You cannot go to Biafra land to campaign for unity. Because what he said against Biafra, what he did against Biafra in the name of Igbo.
Do you know, maybe she said it because of she was at the heat of that moment. Maybe that's why she said all what she said. And she must be feeling remorse.
Now he's in a condition. Now she is refrigerator. Heat is not doing him anymore. The same heat is blowing him. You cannot insult me, insult my father, insult my mother, insult my relation, insult the Igbo nation, insult the Biafra as a whole, and say heat is catching you. From heat, you enter to the fire, go. Fire.